Okay, so if you wanted to do a glass that wasn't a wine glass, I'm just going to show you a tutorial on how to do that too. So what I did was one layer. If you can see here, I just have one layer with a line. That's going to give me a line of symmetry so that I can easily create the bottom of this glass. And I want that my little points that are here in the middle of that guide, I want those to be in the middle of my line of this so that I can, oops, I should be here. In my new layer, I can go exactly to the middle, and I know I'm making it to the middle of that. Then I'm going to make the bottom of a glass is always a little smaller than the top. So I'm just going to put the top here. You can do something like a pint glass or like just a little nice water glass with some details. Always turn off your guides before you try to draw that. And I can turn this off if I wanted to. I know exactly where my middle is. And I'm going to create, make sure I'm on the line of the thing. I'm going to create, I'm going to use my ruler just to give myself some nice, easy, straight line to connect those two. Okay. If I wanted to give myself a little, place to add detail, I could. Or maybe this has like, So did you know also that if I hold a line, it'll snap straight? So if you make a line and you hold it, it'll snap straight, just so that you know. Those of you who might not have a stylus yet, it's not the end of the world. I'm actually doing most of this without a stylus currently. I'm just doing my finger. It's not the most precise, but it is possible. So I'm just making some little details on this glass. So I'm going to duplicate this layer. I'm going to hide this one. I don't want it anymore. Maybe I'll get rid of those details later. But I'm going to duplicate this layer. I take it. I'm going to go to Transform Tool, mirror it, and then move it over directly. It should reach exactly that line of symmetry. So then I have a glass. Right? I have a glass with some detail. I don't really love my details, so I might take them off. In which case I can just use the eraser. Oh wait, I need to first merge my two, merge them down. And I can just get rid of my details. I don't love those. I just like the glass. So if you would like that, if you're like, don't, make sure that if you do use a razor, you might want to change the size of the razor. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of those. And then we will start again. So you'll see, but the next time you see this glass, it won't have all those lines. Okay, that's just how you do a second.